Magluluto tayo today ng pork in gravy sauce. It's very easy recipe, so let's start. 1 kilo pork butt ang gagamitin natin guys, and slice nyo lang very thinly. Season lang natin with salt and pepper, and mag-a-add tayo ng 1.5 tablespoon ng corn flour, and ima-marinate natin for at least 30 minutes. Set nyo lang yung kalan nyo for medium heat, and then maglalagay tayo ng 1 tablespoon olive oil, and followed with our sliced ginger and garlic. So, meron din tayong red onions guys, pero half lang muna yung ilalagay natin. Saute lang natin yan very quickly, and then we're gonna add half cup of dark soy sauce, and then I have Japanese sweet soy sauce. Any sweet soy sauce that you have, it's fine. And after that, i-add na natin ang ating marinated pork. Haluin lang natin, tapos i-cover natin, and then simmer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes guys, medyo malambot na yan, pero dadagdagan natin ng 1 cup water. Maglalagay din tayo ng bay leaves, and then meron tayong brown sugar and liquid seasoning. Maglalagay din tayo ng salt and pepper to taste. Timplahin nyo lang sa inyong panlasa. Cover lang natin ulit until the pork is tender. Check nyo lang guys kung malambot na ang ating pork, and then after that, ilalagay na natin ang ating diced potato, diced carrots, and sliced radish or yung ating labanos. Simmer for another 10 minutes until our carrots and potatoes ready, and then after that, we can add our bell peppers and the rest of our red onions. Maglalagay din tayo ng ating green onions, and then i-reduce lang natin yung ating gravy sauce. And it's done! Napakadaling recipe at napakasarap. Try nyo guys! Garantisadong magugustuhan ng family nyo. Enjoy! Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye for now!